Good morning everyone. The topic for today is a poem titled The Kite, written by Harry BEHN. This poem is prescribed by CBSE for class 6th in the English book named Suckle. So let's start. So the beginning lines are, how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, with a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Here, the poet has explained us that the kite in the sky really looks very beautiful when it is very new and flies for the first time. Poet also tells us about the moves of the kite, which is sometimes very soft and sometimes with a great force. As a result, its tail produces crackling sound and a noise. Here, the difficult term are snaps, which means a crackling noise. Moving towards with the poem, then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides. Here, poet compares the kite to a ship. Like the way a ship sails up and down in an ocean because of the tides and the waves, in the same manner, the kite also floating up and down with the pressure of the air and the strong wind. Climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Here the poet says, with the sudden strong blow of the wind, the kite sometimes goes to the highest point of the sky. But as soon as the wind slows down, it seems as if it has stopped there to rest. Here the difficult terms are, crest means top of something and gust, a sudden strong wind. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows. It means when the thread which is tied to the kite loosen, then all the flyers run and roll it back. He just wait for the new breeze to come so that he once again blows the kite in this beautiful sky. Here, the difficult term is slack, a state of being too loose or not tight enough. And its wings fill, and up it goes. How bright in the blue is a kite when it's new. Once again, when the kite blows high up in the sky, it looks very bright and very beautiful on a clear sky. But a raggeder thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Here, poet tells in these lines that when again the kite goes high in the sky, it looks so beautiful and bright. But when suddenly it gets stuck on the tree top, it got torn and gives a warm outlook, which is not liked by anyone. Here, the difficult term is raggeder, means torn. So here we end up with this beautiful poem written by Harry BEHN. Hope you all understood this poem. Read this poem aloud so that you all will get to know how the poet has drawn a beautiful picture of the flying kite through words in this poem. Thank you and have a great day.